Swallowing takes place during eating, of course, and most of our fun-filled family moments, best moments in life, are sitting around a table somewhere. So when you can't do that, and you're sitting next to your family members watching them eat, and they're watching you not eat or struggle with eating, it becomes a really big issue. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and my area of specialty is actually swallowing disorders. The combination of neurology and therapy, a little bit of psychology in there because we're therapists. We get to work with patients knowing the anatomy of the head and neck that deals with speech and language and voice anyway. It could be anything from a patient who had a stroke a little while back. Maybe they were in the ICU and they were intubated for a while. They had some problems regaining swallowing once the endotracheal tube was removed. Or they could be just, you and me, complaining of food sticking in their throat, complaining of it, it hurts when I swallow, and things along those lines. When somebody walks into my clinic, I'm going to do almost a clinical evaluation. I'm going to take a look to see how their muscles and their nerves are working around their head and neck. From there, I personally will do what's called a flexible endoscopic evaluation of swallowing. We check out the physiology of the swallow. We determine whether the food's going the right way or the wrong way. During the exam, we actually implement treatment strategies to find out whether they're actually working. We'll talk a little bit, figure out what your plans are, what your goals are, and we'll go from there in terms of treatment. I get to develop a longer-term relationship with them. I get to know their families a little bit. I'm often on phone calls during the session with their family members. Their spouses will come and join us for the therapies. Probably the best moments that I have are the tears that I see in the clinic when a patient can swallow again. The stories that I hear when they sometimes pass me in the hall saying, hey, I got to have Thanksgiving dinner this year. These are priceless moments